Okay, today we're gonna install VirtualBox. So first of all, we are going to install VirtualBox. So simply double click, click on next, click on yes, install. It is installing. It takes a little bit time to install. Okay, click on finish. It will start for first time automatically. Okay. Maximize it. Now click on new. Give it a name. Choose anything like Microsoft Windows, Linux, Mac OS X or any other. But here you can see there is only 32 bits are available for now. 64 bit is not available. So we have to restart our system for 64 bit. So I'm going to close and I'm going to restart my system. We will back again after restarting my system. So I have restarted my system. Now open VirtualBox and click on new. Give it a name. And now you can see 64 bit is available. There is 32 bits and 64 bit. Both are available. So I'll choose Linux and here I'll choose Red Hat 64 bit. If you want to install CentOS, then you can choose Red Hat because these are similar. Click on next. Select size of RAM which you want to give VirtualBox, virtual machine. So I'll give 512 MB. Click on next. Click on create. Okay, so VDI is good, so click on next. Okay, so click on next and here choose a size of your hard disk which you want to make. So I'll choose 10 GB. Okay, click on create. Okay, now you have created your new system and now go to settings and click on storage and here click on empty and here you have to choose ISO file of your operating system. Okay, so here, but I'll choose CentOS, so I have to search CentOS in my system. Okay, so click on open, click on OK. Okay, now click on start. And here again choose CentOS 7, click on start. Okay, now your setup is starting and it is about to install in your VirtualBox. Hope you enjoyed, and if you like my video then click on subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you.